Welcome to Horace Tech Journey.
This is your ultimate destination for tech tutorials and skill development.
Welcome to this demonstration of my Encyclopedia project. In this video, I will showcase all 7 required functionalities, including page navigation, search, editing, and more. Let's begin. First, we visit an Encyclopedia entry page. Here, the content of the entry is displayed correctly. The title reflects the entry name, and Markdown formatting is applied. Next, we check the index page. This page lists all Encyclopedia entries, each linked to its corresponding page. Clicking on any entry redirects us to its content. The search bar allows users to find Encyclopedia entries. If we enter an exact match, we are redirected to that entry. If we enter a partial match, the search results page displays all relevant entries. Clicking any result leads to its entry page. Now, we create a new Encyclopedia entry. We enter a title and Markdown content, then click Save. The new entry is successfully added and can be accessed like other pages. If we try to create an entry with an existing title, an error message prevents duplication. Each entry can be edited. Clicking the Edit button opens a form pre-filled with the entry's content. After making changes and saving, the updated content is displayed on the entry page. The Random Page feature redirects users to a randomly selected Encyclopedia entry, providing easy access to different topics. Finally, Markdown content is automatically converted to HTML. Elements such as headings, bold text, lists, and links are properly formatted for readability. This concludes the demonstration of my Encyclopedia project. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.